Hey Kickstarter, I'm Patrick, and this is the Silverback. The main idea behind the Silverback is simplicity. Made in Southern California with over 12 functions. The Silverback organizes the contents of your pockets and wallet into a credit card size stainless steel multi-tool. The Silverback also doubles as an RFID blocking minimalist wallet, eliminating bulk and creating pocket space for improved movement and comfort. If you want the best multi-tool in your pocket, check out our rewards to the right and back our project.